Today you will learn how to make bubbles in Adobe Illustrator. You can see the post link in the video description. So let's get started by selecting the rectangle tool to make the background. Fill the color with your desired one. Here I am choosing the blue color. So now we will lock the rectangle by going to object lock as the layer is selected. So now select the ellipse tool, press the shift key to make the perfect circle. Now remove the stroke color. Now double click on the gradient tool, so the gradient box will appear. Select the radial. Now double click on this dot and choose your desired bubble color. I am selecting the blue color. Here choose the white color. Now move this to right side. Now make a duplicate by pressing the Alt key. Select the white fill color. Now you can duplicate by going to edit, copy and copy paste. Here you can see there is the original and the ellipse I have copied. Now move a little bit and select the stroke to see the boundary of the ellipse. Now I am placing to make a small shape to reflect. Now select the both and go to Pathfinder. Here select the minus option. Simply resize the object. Now go to effect, then stylize, and then feather option. Select the feather option to make a little blur image. Adjust the image according to your desired. Here you can see the reflection effect in the bubble. Make the duplicate by pressing the Alt key, and I am rotating this to make the reflect effect on the right side of the bubble. Here you can see I have placed the another reflect effect. Now make simple circles. Go to stylize, feather. I am creating another circle to give it a realistic effect. Again go to feather and select your desired feather. Lower the opacity to adjust